ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಲೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ನ ನೂತನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಫ್ತಿಕರ್ ಆಲಿ ಮಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಇವರಿಗೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ 𝐿 ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಭಿನಂದನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ 𝐿 ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಂಜಿತಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು, ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಫ್ತಿಕಾರ್ ಆಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಲೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಹುದ್ದೆಯನ್ನ ಅಲಂಕರಿಸಿರುವುದು ಸಂತಸ ತಂದಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Even in the worst of times. And doing these things, he sees everything not as a problem but as a challenge. That's what I feel. But he feels everything can be solved, and most often he is successful. Be it when we have tough times with the various licensing organizations or with doctors' health. I have to mention that probably the most favorite son of Dr. 𝐿 would be Dr. Iftikar Ali. I don't know what, but ever since I started my practice, every evening for 2 hours they would be talking every day. And one more thing, in that entire 2 to 3 hours, he would not sit down. That is the respect he had, despite all.
ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಫ್ತಿಕಾರ್ ಆಲಿ ಮಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಅವರು, ಅರೆ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮಹತ್ವ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Your shuttle board, your tennis, everything will be in the part of the regional center of Rajiv Gandhi in Mangalore, in Delhi. When you go from here in the bus, you can see that Vikas College, Vikas, right behind there. So you will witness the foundation, will be done by Chief Minister and my brother, Speaker brother, and other more eminent vice chancellors and other more people in Mangalore. So that is one more for you. So now I think you students are very lucky. When we were the studying in SHETTY, the first part of Karnataka, I should remember my father, beautifying the late MLA then.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ 𝐿 ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹಿಮಾ ಊರ್ಮಿಳಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು ವಹಿಸಿದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಇವರು, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಫ್ತಿಕಾರ್ ಆಲಿ ಮಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಅವರು ಮೌಲಿಕ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹತ್ತರ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮಹತ್ತರವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
The time has come for him to accept the honors that he has avoided so far as he becomes head of the State Allied and Health Care Professional Council. This is a very great thing for all the allied sciences, and I'm sure just as Iftikar put physiotherapy on the map of Karnataka and also more widely nationally, he is going to do many things with allied sciences as a whole. He has many skills to his credit, and this is why he has reached to this position. I would like to focus on just one, and that is his people skills. He has a powerful memory. He networks with hundreds of LBSTians and others across the globe. And he can pick up his phone and call anybody at any time. Yesterday we called the physiotherapy of the rifle shooting rifle shooting in Olympics. She was an ex-military student and she is physio for the Olympic team. I pray that Almighty God be his keeper so that he can accomplish much more in the years ahead. I think that is 4 years in all, and I wish him from all of us, the 𝐿𝐵 family as we have become, I wish him from all of us.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಶ್ರೀಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಎಚ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದರು. ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಾದ ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಇವರು ವಂದಿಸಿದರು. ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಾದ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಕಾಮತ್ ಇವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಿರೂಪಿಸಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ 𝐿 ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದಿವ್ಯಾಂಜಲಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಹಲವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Dr. 𝐿 Shetty Institutions, Mangalore, empowering dreams and achieving greatness since 1985. Dr. 𝐿 Shetty College prides itself in its history of 38 years. It undertook path-breaking initiatives in Indian higher education with the introduction of innovative and modern curricula, insistence on academic discipline, imparting of holistic education, and adoption of global higher education practices with the support of creative and dedicated staff. First private college in Karnataka offering diverse healthcare programs offers you multiple of courses. Dr. 𝐿 Shetty Institutions is a nurturing ground for an individual's holistic development to make effective contribution to the society in a dynamic environment. Dr. 𝐿 Shetty Institutions, Kavu Road, Vidyanagar, Mangalore, Karnataka 575013. Contact 0824 248 1048, 0824 248 1096. Website www.mvshettycolleges.edu.in.
ಸುದ್ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ